When you think of the power of prayer, what comes to mind? Understand just what it means and how to incorporate it into your daily life. According to the Pew Research Center, 76.5% of people in the United States consider themselves to be religious. In many respects, religion is as important to our lives today as it was centuries ago. And while many things may change, there is always one constant when it comes to faith: prayer. So keep watching as I'm going to explore the power of prayer and its place in modern society. So let's get started. Why we pray? The biggest reason why we pray is that it gives us a direct line to our preferred deity. It makes us feel as though we can contact them whenever and wherever we need to. The great thing about prayer is that there isn't much of secret to it. You can do it anywhere at any time. So in this respect, prayer helps us feel as though we are never alone, even in the most difficult of circumstances. We may also pray as a sign of goodwill towards others. Have you ever prayed for a friend or loved one? You are practicing a type of prayer known as intercessory prayer. Praying for someone else is a way of showing concern or care and lets us help even when we can't take direct action. Benefits of prayer. Whether you believe in a divine being or not, science tells us that prayer does indeed make a difference in our lives. In 2009, two scientists in India set out to study the impact of prayer on medical conditions such as depression, anxiety, and even infertility. To start, they followed the lives of 219 infertile women who had recently undergone in vitro fertilization treatment. They were then set into two groups, one who would receive prayer and the one that wouldn't. The women who received prayers had almost twice the rate of pregnancy compared to those who were not prayed for. While both scientists were quick to point out that prayer may have caused a placebo effect, the point still stands. Prayer can be an effective way of dealing with hardships. Making time for your faith. Given the power of prayer, you might feel like opening your heart. Of course, we live in a busy world that never stops. Finding the time to pray can be as much of a challenge as anything else you face throughout the day. Still, if you are leading a faith-based lifestyle or if you want to inspire positive thoughts, you must find time to pray. Making time to open your heart doesn't have to be tough. You can pray during the quiet moments of your day, such as when you first wake up or right before you go to bed. Or take regimented prayer breaks throughout the day if you don't already. Never underestimate the power of prayer. As I wrap things up, I would like to stress again how important it is to believe in the power of prayer. Even if you don't have faith in a higher power, it never hurts to send good vibes into the world. So give it a try and experience the benefit for yourself. And if you are looking for more coverage on topics like religion, psychology, and spirituality, make sure to check my other videos. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below. I hope you like this video. For more interesting videos, just subscribe to my channel and remember to click the notification bell. Thanks for watching.